Has your plug stopped working? It's probably just a fuse. Here's how to swap it in under 60 seconds. All you need is a flathead screwdriver. First unplug it from the socket, then flip the plug over. See that small rectangle cover on the bottom? Insert your screwdriver and pop it open. If your plug doesn't look like this one and have this little compartment on the back of the plug, don't worry, I do have a video on how to change the fuse in that style of plug, linked in the description and at the end of this quick video. The fuse is a small cylinder cartridge sitting in there. Lever it out with the tip of your screwdriver. Grab your replacement fuse. Most UK plugs use a 3 amp or 13 amp. Check the old fuse or your application manual to get the right one. It needs to match exactly, not just be close, since the wrong rating won't protect the application properly. Press the new fuse firmly into the holder until it clicks. Snap the cover back on, plug it back in and test your application. That's it. 60 seconds, one screwdriver, job done. If it still doesn't work, the issue's normally not the fuse, and could be the appliance itself. If this has saved your appliance by changing a fuse, hit that subscribe button because I help with fixes like this every week.